Hello friends, Holi is here and I'll show you a delicious recipe for Holi ki Thandai. This is a list of ingredients required. Take 1/3 cup almonds, 2 tablespoons cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons melon seeds and 2 tablespoons poppy seeds or khaskhas in a bowl. Pour hot water and soak for 2 hours. Drain the water. Peel the skin of the almonds by pinching it off like this. I'm using the almonds whole as I do not like waste. Transfer this to a blender jar. Add 1/2 inch piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 5 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1/2 cup milk. Blend to a smooth paste. Heat 1 litre of full cream milk. As it comes to a boil, add 1 cup of sugar. Stir till the sugar dissolves. Add a generous pinch of saffron. Boil on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, add the Thandai masala and stir well. You can whisk it to break any lumps. Scrape the sides. Stir occasionally. And boil on medium flame for 10 minutes. That's it, your Thandai is ready. Let it rest at room temperature for half an hour to infuse the flavors better. Chill in the refrigerator before serving. Happy Holi! Enjoy this delicious Thandai this summer. If you like this video, please like and share it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more such recipes and leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.